All right, welcome back. So this is the second trading session. We watched the previous video. It was a disaster, kind of. The account didn't really grow. So this is the second trading session. I left the market 10:18 and I'm back 12:48. Yeah. So let's grow the account and let's have you know um all right, let's just go. Let's just see opportunity. Uh, Explain the videos properly for you guys. Alright, so I'm just going to bookmark that page and oh my god, okay, it's from the previous session and see what the reaction that candle is going to have there. Let me know if I'm going to buy or sell. Let me see. Okay, it's moving down. As, okay. Once the timer reaches 20 seconds, I will go back to observe the market over there. So this is another. All right. So I've taken two trades right now. So I took a buy here because of the candle has closed inside and there's a little bit of rejection. It's a strong candle, but I believe it's going to close in profit. The other one, same story. I believe it's going to close in profit. Okay, this one is fighting. Come on. Come on, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, come on, 1, let's go. Okay, I think the other trade, oh my god, are you serious? Okay, so this is exactly what I've been talking about candles. So this is a very big lesson to everybody because I thought that the market is going to react properly. This is not exactly a good zone, so let's just say this loss was my fault. I'm going to attribute this loss to myself, so go take a screenshot of this also. Okay, so fairly we started I won't say we started properly. We didn't start properly at all. And let's see. Okay. Let us see the reaction from here. Let me see. No. Let me see the reaction of that candle. Let me be sure for taking the next trade. I hope my microphone is up on because voiceover is another serious work. Okay, let's check out. Is it going to fail? Is it going to sell? Okay. Decided to fail. Okay. Started to buy. Okay, what is going on? Then we buy. So no much explanation. There's weakness in the sellers and it closed in the zone, so we buy. Although that my entry was not the best, but I believe we should win this trade. We need to move ahead with this account, with this playlist. I'm about to make a playlist. It's going to be my first playlist on YouTube. All the explanation I need to screenshot. See, the market is fighting. Okay. Okay. So the market is I should have actually entered by 1 o'clock, but I feel today might be hectic for me, so I decided to just we need to push this account to somewhere. I don't want to apart somewhere because I don't trade pocket option during the weekends, and that is another thing I need to say about pocket option. My phone has started that thing again. Honestly, I don't know, for iPhone, you update it, the next thing it starts acting up. So yeah, talking about trading on weekends. I trade Monday to Friday. In pocket option, I don't trade during the weekend. I assure you, the weekend is so volatile and you lose a lot of money. So there is money in the charts. No matter the emergency you have, don't trade in the weekends. I know you might be looking for money. Most of us, obviously, you watching this video might be looking for money, but I assure you, it's not worth your trouble. Trading the weekend is not worth your trouble. I see an opportunity, a very cool opportunity. Okay, let me bookmark this one also. All right, so we have an interesting pair. Let me see what will be the decision. Okay, if it buys, I'm going to and if I wanted to buy in the next candle, you understand? I thought it was going to print out a red. I know. And if you guys are confused on anything I'm doing in this channel, please indicate. Okay. This is a Mabozu candle, then a reversal candle. So this was a short sell. If I'm going to wait till 25 seconds, if okay, it's not giving me any buyer's entry at all. It's not giving me any buyer's entry at all. Let me see. It's going down. Okay. It's not even a strong. Okay, what's going on? What would be your verdict? Okay, let me see. The market is becoming too. Let's go. So I took a sell here because of. I feel like, oh, what did I just do? I should go down. So I took it with half of what I normally take because of the market is creating a lot of rejection and a lot of buyers momentum is behaving as if this level does not exist. So yeah, sometimes I take all these trades so I will not FOMO or something like that. I don't know how to explain it. So that trade is going to win. So let me just go to look for other trades. I would like if this account. So that is going to be our. I don't know. I think I take only 4 trades per session. If this account don't reach what is in my mind, let me see. From 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th trade. But because it's half of the amount I normally take, I am going to see if something else is here for us. Let me see. Something else can be here for us. Okay. Something else can be here. Oh wow, this was a very good selling. Come on. Give me an entry. Give me that entry. Come on, give me that entry. Gap up, move up a little bit. Come on, give me that entry. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh my god. Okay. Whatever. Okay, let's move for another opportunity. Let me see. I need to close down these charts. The market is just bad. Will I have a third session this afternoon? Will I have another session? Okay, let me see something. Oh yeah, I failed a trade. Yeah, no wonder. I was wondering why the account is still in 25. Oh my god. Okay, Okay. That's one thing with growing small accounts. It takes a lot of time, and if it's a big account, normally you take 4 trades, you're out of the market. Take 2 trades, even with a big account, take 2 trades. What I'm talking about? Take 2 trades, you're out of everywhere. You don't risk some of the risky moves. You don't make some of the risky moves I've been making here. So this is a zone I'm interested in. If it can come back there and react. Okay, let's go. I wonder how many minutes this video is going to be. 92. Okay, we are seeing something interesting. This is think boy. Okay, I just saw a confluence now, and I cannot. The confluence is too much. I cannot determine the demand, so I'm going to leave that. So you see the way I trade. You see the way I make these decisions. I'm not interested in losing my money. Let me see. Okay. Okay. No, not interested. Let me see. A new candle I've printed out. Okay. Nothing for us. You see. Not yet. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This one is doing his own thing. Alright. So not to keep quiet for now. Let me find an opportunity. Let me. All I need is love tonight. Alright, so we're still in this. Okay. Yeah, so I wish I knew how to trade ranging markets. I hate trading ranging markets. Ranging market is so complicated. So disorganizing. Okay. I hate that chart. This chart. This one is beginning to do its own thing. It's what's let's see what is going on in its mind. Okay. So this is not a it's just a change of character, not a break of structure, but Can still work with it. Okay. This is not. So what I'll be expecting is a red candle. The red candle is printing now, but I want to take a buy. So as this red candle prints out now, the next trade I am going to take the buy. I'm going to take the buy. Going to take the buy. Just looking at the trade to be sure. Okay, a lot of rejection. The buyers are here. Just I need the red candle to. Okay, it didn't. I need the red candle to close at least to this point. Okay. Yeah, so rough entry again. So this is, I'm going to look for 92 trades in 92. Okay, wait, what's going on here? Okay, because of my entry is not wonderful. So it's going to be dangling between my entry and I need it to move up a little bit. Let me switch. Okay, that is good. Let me see. Oh, 79%. I don't do that. I don't do 79% for any reason for anybody. Don't go below 81%, please. Have set words. These people want to take 100% and give you less than 81%. It's crazy, you know. Have set words in this market. These people are not your allies. Pocket Australia is not your ally. When they are doing their advert, they're doing their advert like they want you to come and make money in their platform. Or you have to be wise. Or I don't know the country you're watching from, but you have to be wise. Pocket Australia is not your allies. All these they are trading books that are all this educational stuff is not doesn't work. It doesn't work. You don't need to stress yourself. I just realized that I took a trade now and let me screenshot this one. Let me zoom out a bit so there's enough context for when I'm explaining. So obviously it's obvious to you guys that I want to reach 30 today, you know. So by tomorrow we actually start. Okay. So it's evident that I'm going to stop. So 5 trades, 1 loss. Evident I'm going to stop the session now because of no opportunity in the market. Let me even see. All right, so guys, disclaimer. Yeah, so this video is always for educational purposes only. So keep up with me. I'll show like more videos, more tactics. Any confusion you're having, you can just ask in the comment section. I'll be there. Just ask in the comment section. I'll be there. So yeah, this is the first trade of the day. I think this is the first trade of the day of this session. My phone is lagging again. GBP USD, a buy. Let me see. GBP USD, a buy. Where did it all go wrong? A buy at 12.51. Yeah, so my bad. Actually, if you think about it, there's no more thing explaining here. I saw a weakness in I saw a rejection. Let me show you now. Usually, there are patterns that have, like you see this morning star or evening star, there are patterns that always have a reversal next, as you can see. But fortunately, I didn't give, the candle was strong. I didn't give enough margin of error to take the buy. Also, this is not really a strong level. For a level to be a level, it's just something like this, at least 5 candles before breaking this level. You see a strong level, a strong level. So that's my bad. I did this to myself. So this trade was yeah. Let me explain this trade. So this is the trade that you guys will always see in my trading session. So coming down like this, so you can see that this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher high, and this is the other block that caused it. So I drew the other block properly so you guys can understand and see. So coming down here, you just know that okay, the buyers are here. At least a reaction. It's not might not actually buy up, but you know that it's going to be a reaction. So coming down here, you will see the candle had a rejection. Reason number one, a demand zone, reason number two. Reason number three is this candle. This candle that didn't move up to 50% of the zone, that created a rejection. This rejection is the sellers. The sellers want to fill that rejection. And this was this candle. The reason I didn't take this candle, I know I didn't take this candle, that red candle. I didn't take it because sometimes you have to decide to follow the market. And this was like my second trade after I failed the first one, something like that. So you have to know how you follow the market. Don't follow the market bumper to bumper. You just follow the market and you follow the market. Allow the market lead you. Don't lead the market. You can never lead the market. You understand? So that's why I took this trade. I took the buy. I took the buy exactly as it opened because I was confident. Lucky enough, although it was a small candle, lucky enough we won the trade. Because you see that most of the time in pocket option, your entry will fail you. My entries today have been bad. So this GBP USD, okay. I took a buy. I'm going to draw it for you guys again. This is an uptrend. Reason number one, always follow the trend. Reason number one is an uptrend. This is a high. This is sorry, never. This is a low. This is a high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. Coming back to the higher low. Coming back to the higher low, which is also a demand now. You see weakness. This candle was strong. If you watch what I told you in the last analysis, you see that this candle created a rejection, but it didn't have the buyer's entry. The buyers haven't indicated by showing a wick that they are coming down to here. So you see some people now come and buy in this candle and fail. They now say, okay, this candle, this chart, this platform is a scam. It's not a scam. You just don't understand. You just don't understand patience. And another thing, you have to be watchful. Once a candle is in a zone, if the candle have more downward pressure, assuming this candle had a longer week here, I wouldn't have taken this buy. So that being said, if a hammer candle red is in a support zone, yes, don't even try it. Don't try and take a buy. So this is a weakness. This is just a normal candle that everybody knows is a weak candle. So I took the buy. It closed in profit. I think I failed only one, and I've showed one I failed. So this one is the same story, my same strategy. Uptrend. This is a high. This is a low. It has broken this high. You understand? But if you look to the side, there's another. Let me see whether I screenshots MAD. Okay, I didn't. There's another zone here. Let me see MAD USD. Okay, I need to go back. MAD USD. I took a sell around here. Okay. Yeah, so you can see, okay, let me screenshot it like this. Yeah, so this MAD USD, and so there was this level here, and this level is the high, this is the low. These are internal structures. This is internal lower high, internal lower low. You understand? You have to go back and learn market structure properly. If you chart properly, you know what you're doing, you move properly. So I saw that a Mabuzu candle came inside there. I told you have to be careful. I didn't see a rejection. That's why you guys always see me. Mabuzu candle comes in a zone. I don't take a sell. You'll be wondering, why don't you take a sell? I don't even look at this momentum. I know that okay, this candle, like this chart like this now, might be able to break above this level. The momentum is just too mad. Plus it did something like a double bottom here. But I know that it will have a reaction. Just one candle reaction. That's what we trade there. And you trading, you actually with confidence and sure. So normally this reason number one, one demand zone. It came to the external structure. One, there was a seller's entry, seller's pressure, seller's entry, seller's pressure. So I took the sell here. At the same time, you see this candle here. You see the reaction is a reversal candle. The next you take a you take a sell. If you notice, I came when I took the sell here, and I knew that this candle was not going to take this sell. It was going to behave like this. You understand? I knew it was going to behave like this. Assuming this candle ended up a red candle, I would have taken the next candle buy. But instead of saying that, if you keep on watching my channel, if any opportunity like that comes up, I will explain it and you see it live. You see when I do it. So I'm not going to explain something that is not happening. You understand me? So that's why I took this and that was the win. So this was the last trade. This one is let me see. The same thing. Seller's pressure, seller buyer's entry. Buyer's entry, very small seller's pressure. Buyer uptrend. This candle, it only changed this place here. It only changed character. It didn't break this candle. It just wicked above. I knew that if this candle comes inside there, as this candle came inside there and had this little rejection, because I saw the way this candle closed, before you take a trade, this candle like this, if you notice me, you have to see when this candle, this one started. Then this one is your decider candle for your next, before you place your trade. So you have to actually see two candles before you actually take your trade. Sometimes you just come into the market. Sometimes I come into the market and like, there's this chart, this same trading session. I was like, oh, if I was there, I would have made more money. That type of thing. Short trade. If you notice, I use 153. I don't think that's correct. Anyway, I don't know what I use in this USD VVN. Let me see. I use 153 actually. Why did I use 153? I used 153. I'm shocked about that decision. So you have to if you continue watching me, you see the demand zone I kept here is a very wide demand that caused this week above here, that took the liquidity above here. I knew that it would come out and have a reaction. So guys, any question, you want to address in this video, please do well to comment, like and comment. My next video I will address your comment section. I think somebody came here and was like, bro, let me copy your trade. Yeah, so Mr. Wife 3126. So the copy trading will not start till December. I'll know how that will happen, but for now, I'm just like trying to be consistent in the YouTube page and my Twitter. So I have a Twitter. My Twitter is on Kulemi. So you guys can go and see me there. I'm not really posting a lot there, but you can go to my Twitter and I have a TikTok, but nothing is happening on the TikTok for now. So, but yeah. So goodbye, guys. See you guys later and good luck trading.